my gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west.
It was traveling very fast and very erratically, and we couldn't anticipate which way it was going to turn, or couldn't understand how it was maneuvering the way that it was, or the propulsion system.
There was actual sort of a policy to use ridicule to kind of damp the whole thing down that goes back to the 50s, and it became just part of the culture. And since then, we were just kind of left with this attitude of ridicule in the culture. We weren't hearing anything about it from our government.
This is a mammoth intelligence failure. We haven't suffered the consequences we did in Pearl Harbor and 9/11, but the problems are precisely the same. You had a radar operator seeing Japanese bombers and fighters approaching. He didn't report it to anybody. The information didn't get up the chain. 9/11, we had CIA and FBI not talking and not sharing information. In this case, it's worse. We've got more like 10 agencies not talking and sharing information.
The UFO community has been seeking a disclosure for 50 plus years or more, and I think this is a good step forward for the UFO community, for the government to acknowledge the existence of the phenomenon and let people know that there's something going on out there on a regular basis.